Planning for a trip and not sure what to pack? It's a common dilemma, isn't it? The art of packing isn't just about fitting everything into your suitcase, it's about selecting the right items that will make your journey more comfortable and hassle-free. From comfort essentials to health and safety items and even to convenience and entertainment must-haves, each category plays a pivotal role in your travel experience. So let's dive into the essential items that should be on your packing list, shall we? First up, let's discuss the items that are essential for your comfort during your travels. Travel pillows are a crucial item on this list. They support your neck and head during long flights or car rides, helping you avoid unnecessary pain or discomfort. Next, consider earplugs. They can be a lifesaver, blocking out unwanted noise, allowing you to sleep or relax in peace. Another comfort essential is an eye mask. This simple item can help you sleep better by blocking out light, especially during those long-haul flights. And let's not forget about comfortable clothing. Opt for loose, breathable fabrics that won't restrict your movement during long travel periods. Think soft tees, relaxed pants, and comfortable shoes. These clothing items can make a world of difference in your overall travel experience. So remember, your comfort is paramount during a trip, and these items will help ensure just that. Next, we should look at the items that are crucial for your health and safety. A well-stocked first aid kit should be at the top of your packing list. This should include band-aids, antiseptic wipes, and over-the-counter pain relievers. You never know when a minor injury could occur, and it's always better to be prepared. Hand sanitizers and masks have become the new norm, and they are particularly important when traveling. A small bottle of sanitizer can help you stay germ-free in places where washing hands may not be convenient. Masks, on the other hand, are essential in crowded areas and can help prevent the spread of airborne diseases. And let's not forget about any prescribed medications. If you're on any long-term medication, ensure you carry enough to last the duration of your trip. It's also wise to carry a copy of the prescription in case you need to refill it. These health and safety essentials are a must-have on your packing list to ensure a safe trip. Lastly, let's not forget about the items that add convenience and entertainment to our travels. We often overlook these things, but they can make a world of difference in our journeys. Take portable chargers, for instance. In this digital age, keeping our devices charged can be a challenge. A portable charger can be a lifesaver, ensuring our phones, cameras, or tablets never run out of juice when we need them most. Then there's the humble travel adapter. This compact device allows you to plug your electronics into outlets in foreign countries, making it an essential item for international travel. For those long flights or downtime at the hotel, books or portable gaming devices can provide hours of entertainment. They can also be great icebreakers if you're looking to interact with fellow travelers. These items, while not absolutely necessary, can greatly enhance your travel experience, so consider including them in your packing list. So there you have it. A comprehensive list of travel essentials that should be on your packing list. Comfort, health, safety, convenience, and entertainment. These categories cover all bases to ensure a smooth journey. From your comfy travel pillow to that all-important first aid kit, from convenient multi-purpose tools to that engrossing book, every item has its unique role to play. Remember to customize your travel essentials based on the nature of your trip, and always consider factors like the climate, duration, and activities planned during your travels. Safe travels!